Just a look at and description. Hourleey garden hose adapter, 3/4 inch solid brass hose connectors adapters, male to male, female to female, 4-pack with extra 6 washers by Hourleey. Cost, $8.99, purchased on Amazon. Hourleey garden hose adapter, 3/4 inch solid brass hose connectors adapters, male to male, female to female, 4-pack with extra 6 washers by Hourleey. Heavy duty, made of solid brass for maximum durability and strength. Includes 2-pack brass connector with double male, 2-pack brass connector with double female, and 6 extra garden hose washers. Female to female coupler, 3/4 female thread on both ends. Each contain 2 rubber washers. Male to male coupler, 3/4 male thread on both ends. A Euro product description. Solid brass. Fit all 3/4 inch garden hose adapter application. Male to male hose adapter, double male thread on both ends. Fit 3/4 inch garden hose with female end. Female to female hose adapter, double female thread on both ends. Fit 3/4 inch garden hose with male end. Package include 2-pack male to male garden hose adapter, 2-pack female to female garden hose adapter, 6 extra garden hose washers, rubber. Hourleey garden hose adapter, 3/4 inch solid brass hose connectors adapters, male to male, female to female, 4-pack with extra 6 washers. Product information. Product dimensions: 3.94 x 2.36 x 0.79 inches. Item weight: 4.2 ounces. Manufacturer: Hourleey, ASIN B083RTH2JTA.